Welcome back to Mr. Burton's class. As we continue our exploration of rational numbers, today we'll focus on a special subset, decimals. Let's dive deep into the art of multiplying decimal rational numbers. Let's get started. Every time you calculate sales tax, discounts, or even scale up a recipe, you're multiplying decimals. It's a skill that's not just for the classroom, it's essential in our daily lives. But how do we tackle it effectively? So picture this. If one cookie costs 25 cents and you want to buy 4 cookies, how much will it cost in total? You multiply the cost by the quantity, right? This is the essence of multiplying decimals. Let's decipher this process. So for lesson notes, when multiplying decimals, first, forget about the decimal points and multiply the number as if they were whole numbers. Second, after finding the product, count the total number of decimal places in both numbers you multiplied. And finally, position the decimal in your product so that there are the same number of decimal places as the sum from step 2. For our first guiding question, it says, how does multiplying decimals differ from multiplying whole numbers? When you multiply decimals, you initially treat them like whole numbers. But after calculating the product, you adjust the placement of the decimal point based on the combined number of decimal places from both original numbers. With whole numbers, there's no decimal to adjust. Our second guiding question states, why do we need to adjust the decimal point when multiplying decimals? Adjusting the decimal ensures the product reflects the correct magnitude. Since decimals represent parts of a whole, we need to account for these fractions when multiplying. Our final guiding question states, can the product of 2 decimals be a whole number? Absolutely. For instance, when you multiply 0.5 by 2, you get 1, which is a whole number. The key lies in understanding the value of the decimals being multiplied. So let's put it into practice. If one notebook costs $1.75 and you're buying 4 notebooks, how much will it cost? Let's multiply these decimals together using the steps we discussed. In conclusion, multiplying decimals might seem daunting initially, but with practice and understanding, it becomes second nature. Today, we've equipped ourselves with a valuable tool that will serve us in countless real-world scenarios. As we wrap up, practice multiplying various decimal numbers. The world is full of decimal situations waiting to be solved. Keep multiplying, keep exploring, and remember to always find joy in the process. Thanks for joining Mr. Burton's class. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like. Also, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We have more videos coming really soon. Take care. Peace.